Good morning, everybody. This is very early in the morning. And I'm in the rooftop of my building. And I discover an interesting thing. People are doing exercise, a group of people wearing white t-shirt and navy blue pant. They're doing physical exercise. This is leader, and he gives instruction to his group member, and they together, all together, doing physical exercise. Really, really very good. They're very health conscious, for making yourself fit, for having happy life. You need physical exercise, and they're very conscious about that. And it's really very nice. And the leader chanting slogan, the instructions, and the followers are following his instruction. Okay, they all together. They're discussing different affairs and what they'll do. They're marching. Yes, this is very effective exercise. It will burn your belly fat. Yes, you should. Everybody should do physical exercise because left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left. They're doing two things together. They verbally say left, right, and they do also in practical. So very good. In the morning, I saw a really very effective and nice thing. I cannot control myself. I'll do this. I'll do physical exercise. So you do physical exercise yourself, and I am going right now. Bye bye.